3, 2, 1.
All right, so this is our broadcasting equipment. We have our microphone cord right here, our actual headset, and our Comrex box. This is what allows us to tap into our system when we are at remote events such as McLean Gymnasium or the Nutter Center. So how this works is, there is a power plug-in right here. You take the power cord, it just plugs into any typical outlet just like it normally would. You just plug this right into the back, like so. When you do that, this green light will come on. It means you have power. That's a good thing. So, when it comes to your headset, there are two ends to it. The end that's black and kind of looks like a square will go into your headset. So there are two, that's kind of indented here on the bottom. So that is the end that matches up with the lines, if you will, right here on the headset. You just sort of plug that in just like this. And then there are two plugins on the end of the other cord. Whichever broadcaster you are, whether if you're the play-by-play guy, you will be mic 1. You will see different plugins, mic 1, mic 1, mic 2, mic 2, mic 3, mic 3, just like that. So the end that has a plug-in, kind of looks like a headphone plug-in, will go right here. So if I'm mic 1, I will plug that in right here. And in the end, this is what actually gets your microphone to work. So there is an oval kind of shape here on the top. You line that up with this button here on top. So you just plug that in, and you are good to go. So once you have everything plugged in, and that's your headset, your box is on. See the green light here, it means it's on. Once you're plugged in, you want to turn power on to the box. So it's this power switch right here. You flip that on. Red light means that you have power, and then you want to hook it up to your laptop in order to connect to our DJ controls, which is our software system. So in order to do that, there's a Bluetooth switch right here. You will flip this up for a couple seconds until it flashes rapidly, just like that. And then it'll come up as JKRM and some numbers, and you'll just want to click on it, just like this. And click connect. And then it'll come up as connected right there. And then you'll want to open our DJ Control software. And then come down to audio, which is on the right. You'll go to, or on the left, you go to audio. Put your headset on. And how you know you sound good is you should hear yourself inside your headset. And you can see the decibel rating right here. If it's moving, that's good. It means you have power, or you are connected to the box and the microphone can hear you okay. You can adjust the microphone volume in here, so you can turn this up or you can turn it down as far as if you're too loud or too quiet. And for the headphones to hear your broadcast partner, that is in blue on the bottom here. So to check to see how your audio sounds, you will go to audio settings on DJ Controls. And it'll be this JKRM Bluetooth is what you wanna worry about, these two audio lines right here. And if it's moving and it's picking up your voice okay, you are good to go.
And also make sure that the remote broadcast checkbox that you see right there under JKRM, make sure that is checked as well, and that tells DJ Controls that that is the audio device you want to stream when you do a sports broadcast.
So this is our DJ control panel. If you're doing a sports broadcast, a lot of times if it's with me, I will be running the computer so you don't have to worry about it. But if there is ever an instance where I am not there, you will have to run the computer yourself, and you'll have to know how to do that. It's very simple. So when you're starting a broadcast, you want to click, there's live, remote, sports live, and sports remote. You'll want to click sports remote right here, and then you'll get this form to come up. And you have some things to check off, like are your audio settings correct? Yes. Have you read the announcements and know what you're doing with DJ controls? Yes. The host to call will always be the WWSU Engineering PC, so you don't need to change that setting. This is very important. A lot of times if you're within 15 minutes of the event starting, it will autofill what sport is there. So say we're at the Nutter Center doing a basketball game. You will see it'll automatically autofill to men's basketball, so you don't need to change it. But if you're ever there early, say you want to do a longer pregame show, you'll see a message just like this. This is not on the immediate schedule. It can be flagged as unauthorized. You will want to find the sport that you're doing. Say you're early to a, I'm not sure. You're early to a women's basketball event. It'll almost always autofill with the first one on the list, and that's men's baseball. So you'll want to click here and change it to women's basketball. And I typically just give a quick description. Say like, we'll put in here, I'll say the Lady Raiders host Oakland. And that's all you need to put for that. So, and then you'll go down here. Allow messages from the web. They'll always be checked. I never touch it. So, and then just click Start Broadcast.